there's a new world opening up in the surfing community, the global surfing community. And that new world is a world that is being ushered in by big wave riding. But that's not my bag. That's not my message. My message is there's not only a new world being ushered in to surfing with big waves, but there's a new human being, people who are playing with God. They are playing with waves so big that only men who understand where God abideth and what the rules and regulations are for our planet. And they have a message that's driven into them by the grandeur and the danger, and most of all, by the universal quality of really great waves. And this makes them into absolutely special human beings that have powers. They listen to them, their own words, their own message that comes from the wave. If they listen, they can change the world. The one thing is epitomized by the current champion, Greg Long. They are men of enormous gentility, as most of us who are small fry. We are telling people who we are and what we are. Whether these people like Greg simply exude a humble radiance that has more effect than being a chief or a king